All my fellas. All my fellas.
I'm having non-bread.
Get him to buy it.
Who?
Who else? Nothing shows up.
What do you think, Kev? What do you think?
Yep, takes heat.
Read through the first couple of pages or so.
And I have to be working like 35 hours. Back to the gym though.
You're gonna make this year.
Let's go.
Where are you going?
Genius end off, baby. Alright, where's next? And so I just want to say
Where's the video?
other guys are coming?
Yeah, they're like
Oh, I got No, that's on me.
hey.
Open it up. What's good, y'all? We're back at it. We got 6 steaks going on right now over there on the stove. Lobster tail coming up. Salad mix. We got call a little something right here. Doritos. A little bit of Doritos for dinner later tonight. As well as the strawberry shortcake. You already know what it is. Always eating good at one.
Kev.
3-5.
Gemma.
Austin? Oishi, Ethan?
Oishi.
Average there, 1, 2, 2.
Haven't we been here before?
The Nordstrom rack.
Oh, got Nordstrom. Wow.
Cũng tại cậu làm đấy quá.
Yeah.
They must say Tim's.
Have like 2% savings.
For you, and she's like, I like your shirt.
What the?
And she says that.
I'm gonna do something.
Dude, Zion's wearing.
I'm gonna do something.
Guys, let's take a picture.
I'd like to thank the Academy for their endless support.
How was Sensei?
Oh, not me.
Oh, my bad.
Chris.
Yeah, just throw everything in your head.
Anyways,
I'm gonna donate this to the vlog.
Just throw it up in the air. Here you go.
I'll eat it.